It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I am your host, Ben. Now let's dive in. The market has rebounded in several places. Luna, though, going nuts all the way up to 100. That's where we expected it to go, but got rejected pretty hard there. Big sell-off pushing it back to 90. It is below 90 at 89 at the moment. But let's look at a closer time frame and see if this thing is done with its run. Because looking at it here, it could pull back down to 75, test that as support, and bounce again. But I mean, we're very bullish. But because we hit that area, it may take a couple of days to try to break 100 again. Let's go into a 1 hour chart. So right here, it's kind of the most recent trend line, which is about, that trend line's running right with the 50. So as long as it stays above the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour chart, you know, it can throw some little tails down and throw a couple of candles below it. But as long as over the long term here, like the rest of this week, as long as it doesn't dip below it too much, we could see it come back up. At the moment, though, it is going to have a decent pullback as it's riding down this downtrend. Those candles just hitting it right there, just sliding right on down. Look at, oh, actually, this could be a head and shoulders pattern. So if it doesn't hold, where did the most candles hit at? Let's see. It's, what is this? 80, 87.50. That line's crooked. Come on. What are you doing, TradingView? Work with me. Every day we do this. And you keep doing this switchy back thing. I don't like that. See, it just did it again. I made sure that I clicked on the arrow. I'm on the arrow. Why is it doing that? There we go. Yeah, so if it can't hold up this 87.50 now and hold up the 50-day moving average, this would be a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder there, head here, shoulder here. It does look like that may be the case. And if it cracks below there, it would have a leg all the way back down to that 75. However, if it holds up and breaks back above 90 tonight, then we could see it come back up and test 100 tonight. It is possible. So Luna, we've been talking about Luna since the dip on it. So anybody who caught this, very nice job on this nice run from 60 to $100. That may not be done yet. We'll see. Top gainer in the market, we have Ocean having a big rip from 75 cents all the way to $1.25. Was on this trend line. Looks like it may be trying to get back above it, but until it breaks above $1 and holds the trend line, I'm not interested in it. Atom had a nice rebound. We were kind of in between those two paths, but Atom jumping up over the 50-day, trying to hold right there up to $7. So it's had a couple of these pops on the way down. We could have another drop after that one down to the trend line, which would be around that $20 area, and we'd be back in this path. But there is some support at 25. Pretty strong support at 25. Atom holds 25. We're going to see it take this path and break on back out, possibly to new highs up to 50 this time. What's up, Lightning Rick? How's it going, buddy? We got ICX, Iconics, big triangle on this on the daily. This thing is up 15% on the day, just bouncing off the bottom of that trend line. It has a ways to go before it's to the tip. It's about February, March before this could have a real big breakout. Until then, I'd say the highest it can get is like 225, and then it would come back down, then break out in March or dump down, one of the two. I keep hearing a lot of people talking about Bitcoin, and if it doesn't hold these areas it's at, then it's going to crash. And I want to look at this and see if they have any validity to what they're saying. Like, I saw a live stream that was up earlier. It was like the title was, key levels of resistance. If Bitcoin doesn't hold, it's the end, or something like that. But, you know, if we don't break 50,000 here today, it's not a big deal. So I'm not exactly sure what they're concerned about. We held up 46,000 as support pretty strong in this dip, and we've since popped up out of this triangle. As long as Bitcoin holds right under 50,000, tomorrow's candle goes green, it'll push right through 50,000. Like I said, I think it can get back up to 52, maybe 53 before we see any more of a pullback. And then even if it does happen to yank down from right here, the trend line is still right there at 44,000, and 45,000 is strong support. So it's got a couple of more support lines to go below before there's any concern of it dropping. So I'm not exactly sure what they're talking about. And then the Bitcoin futures, they're bullish too. Still above the trend line, building higher lows. Ethereum getting back above 4,000. Look at there. It hasn't quite got back on the trend line yet, but it is not far from it. Trying to hold that 4,000 support. If it holds it today, we could see a nice move on Ethereum tomorrow, because that would be the break of this trend line right here. That downtrend. So we'll see. I think we're in a rebound phase from this last big pullback. I don't know where these crypto bears, what they're seeing, but stock's so crazy. But because Atom rebounded, you can see some of the Cosmos ecosystem coins all having a pop up today. Iris actually holding that trend line, very nice, good to see. Okay, Fetch. Keep an eye on you. Fetch trying to hold above 50. If it keeps holding above 50, it could be a possible play. On Voyager, I am currently in CGLD. I got in it at the break of $4 for a quick swing. That's working out pretty decently. But CGLD does have a little ways to go before it's to the tip of the triangle, so I'm only expecting it to maybe break 5 and throw a wick up there to 6, maybe over the next 2 days or something, and then it would pull back again. Axie Infinity, I think I already told you guys yesterday, I grabbed some of it at 94. Looking for it to break this downtrend and bounce off of the trend line. It has bounced, rebroke 100, and so far holding 100. We continue to see 100 hold as support on Axie, then all our NFT plays should fall right in line. And let's check those. God's still holding its trend line, looking a little rough today, but still on the trend line regardless, so it's fine. As long as it doesn't drop any lower than 525, I think it'll hold up. I need to mark all these NFT plays a different color. I keep forgetting them. Oh, Mana. Yeah, you see Mana riding right up that trend line. That looks good. Mana's actually looking pretty interesting. The way it's curled up that trend line. Could see it pop up tomorrow to $4 to overnight tonight, possibly. Solana. Okay, so Solana looks like it's following this trend here. Riding right along it, so that looks good for now. If it can keep doing that, we can see it start to push back up for a test of 200. Do got to break 210 though. That's the top resistance. AGLD is another one of those. Oh no, this, even though this is a gaming token, it's pretty ugly. Shiba might be turning bullish. Shiba made that little U shape. Is a shorter U shape, but it's following this path here. Starting to try to break a little bit early. If Shiba can hold quad 035, then it could start pushing up again. Now this is an important area. If Shiba doesn't break back over that 50-day moving average on the daily, then which would be about, well, basically it needs to break quad 04. If it can hold quad 035, test quad 04 tonight, we could see it start to break out again. This is looking not too bad. That is a pretty good pattern, and it's following the prediction, which is even better. So Shiba may be a high watch play. I may look to pick up some Shiba for a swing. No, we'll see. Crypto.com having a bounce off of that 50 cent area. So now that it's rebounding, I maybe shopping time. Voyager's dropped all the way to 3, but is trying to hold 3 support, and that's why I've been saying the last couple of weeks I was just getting out of Voyager for a little bit because it just started dropping too hard, cracking out of this triangle. Avalanche is our other blockchain play, and that one's following the path I drew, just not quite as stretched out. We can go ahead and remove that. We do have a downtrend started in the short term here that it needs to break over. If it doesn't break over this soon, it could pull all the way back down to that 90 area. So the next couple of days we need to see a nice breakout there, because that is pretty ways down a drop. What's up, HH? Oh, you're going all in on sheep bounce? Oh man, how's feeling froggy on that sheep? I mean, I don't blame you, Hal. I mean, I'm thinking about it myself. So I was just saying. You probably heard me. I know there's a little. Never mind, stupid delay. Polkadot, same thing. Another one of those ones that's been on this nice trend line, bouncing off the trend line. But even though we're getting these bounces, I still think the timeline, I think we're going to heat up slowly through this week. then next week, as we're getting towards, we're after Christmas, people's got some present money in their pocket or whatever. People might be throwing a little bit of money in some cryptos. We could see some little buy-in from that. Going into the new year always brings excitement in the markets because the previous year is gone and it's now a new year. You can write off those losses on taxes from the previous year and start out fresh. And traders just get excited, so that's another hype element that can come in. And I do think the stock market is in trouble, and that's probably about February when we're going to see the split from cryptos no longer following what the stock market does because it doesn't make sense for it to. And we'll see a nice crazy bull run through mid-February into March and probably be done by the beginning of April, and then it'll quiet down again for summer. We always quiet down for summer. Although this summer, let's see, where was summer? Yeah, summer was the pullback time. So this was May on Polkadot, and that's where that pullback started. So, same thing I'm pretty sure on Bitcoin. Yeah, May. I mean, it almost looks like we're repeating the same damn thing as last year when I first started trading cryptos right through here. Right when it was right back through here. Bitcoin breaking 20,000 was when I started jumping in. So, but all these patterns, like I've been talking about, are all these big wedges on the daily charts. That's what I think is going to happen and what most of the charts are showing. But if something dramatic changes, or if for some reason it doesn't happen that way, people just stop adopting cryptos out of nowhere, then maybe we could see, a huge pullback in the market. But I'm not seeing any signs of that right now. I think we're showing more signs of more bouncing. Yeah, look at Polygon Matic, just shot up to 260. So Polygon Matic is almost up near new highs. If it can break over 282, that'll be new highs for Matic. There's nothing bearish looking at all about Matic. Or any of these other coins that are the main coins that we look at. Oh, what was that spell token? Let's check that spell token. Where did I put it at? Let me just put these in alphabetical order so I can find it real fast. There's spell. I need to put that on the watch list. Because I did grab some spell last night. Just because, you know what? Coinbase traders be crazy. Every time we see something that pops on the Coinbase that gets some attention on social media, which Spell definitely has some social media attention, we usually see it rip for a day or two more. So Spell so far pretty much confirming this breakout of this U-shape and pushing on up. I think the Spell... see, I don't have a ton of spell. I just bought like $300 worth. Let's see how much I got. I've got 12,285 spell at 0.0225, and it's up to 0.025. It actually looks like it's going to break out here some more. Very close. So that's a 6-hour chart I'm looking at. Let's zoom in on this thing. It looks like it may be. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful 15-minute, another nice U-shape. You could see spell up to 3 cents soon. As long as it's holding above that previous resistance back here. I looked at this project, didn't really like it much yesterday. Like I said, I was comparing it to persistence, and I think persistence is better. But that does not mean that it's not tradable. Long term, I wouldn't put anything in this. But this short term hype that's on it, yeah, I'm going to try to ride it out a little bit. See if we can get up to that 3 cents. Maybe more. Who knows? It's hard to say with these very cheap ones. And it doesn't have like a huge supply like Shiba does or Doge. It actually has about 80 billion, which is not great, but as cheap as it is, you can buy a lot. Like for 270 whatever I spent, I was able to get 12,000 of them. So interesting. But that thing's definitely bullish right now. The only crypto you like so far is Shinja. I have not heard of this Shinja. Let's see if I can find a chart on it. And if I can, yeah, I'm not seeing monoploy. Let's look up this Shinja. There's not a chart for it, so that's scary. Shinja coin. Or Shinga? Shib no. There's a bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Let's check out. So Shinja is the ticker symbol for Sheeb Nobi. So if you remember how I know you gotta remember this. Back in the day, the game for Sega, Shinobi. So they made this Sheeb Nobi, and look, they've even got, oh my god, they've got the sheepdog in the arm. I don't know if you guys can see this that well. It's so small on my screen. Let's go. I gotta go to this website. I gotta see this website. Oh my goodness. Thank you for this. I needed a good laugh today. Let's see if it even shows up on CoinGecko. Yeah, there it is. Oh my god, it's not worth anything. How are you making $75 a day when this thing doesn't have a price? Holy hell, what is the amount of zeros does that mean? Right there to that zero is a billion, so there's a trillion. So 10 trillion. Holy gee, how many? Oh god. Okay, let's check this out. Oh my god. Why did Alright. So, it's an innovative deflationary. What you mean deflationary? There's so much tokens in that. It has its own Kasai blockchain, multi-chain swap, dojo swap across Ethereum, Binance, Chronos, and Polygon. That's interesting. You know, there's a lot of multi-chain things happening though. Cosmos is leading the way on the multi-chain thing, so I don't know if Sheeb Nobi is going to be able to deal with that. Let's look at this roadmap and see how far along they are. So phase 1, they've set up social media, they developed a website, they've done giveaways, and marketing is in process. Phase 2, they did the Uniswap launch, a couple of social media ads, a couple of influencers, AMAs. They've listed on CoinMarket, CoinGecko, and Hotbit. They still need to do an exchange listing. They're planning on getting on crypto and Binance. The Dojo swap they want to list in Q1. The Katana wallet Q2 and then the actual blockchain Q3. So they don't even have a chain yet. They don't even have a wallet yet. They don't have a swap yet. Launched Dojoverse. Check out this white paper. Well, that's scary. When you go to download a project and the white paper is not found. Let's just try that again. Okay. Is there anything on this one? Oh, nothing there. What about that one? Okay, that one works. KY Castle is the creator. Why? Okay, so they've at least put their faces on here. Unless these are fake profiles. Let's go to his Twitter and check and see if he's a real guy. He does look like a real guy. He's from Maryland. So they've got a billboard, it looks like. Where's this at? It's not saying where. Okay. Interesting. Safe and secure. A contract with self-feeding LP, I think, is liquidity protocols and marketing allowance of built-in reflections directly to its holders. 3% reflection tax goes directly to each and every holder proportionally from each and every transaction. 5% of every transaction goes to further marketing, basically. This is such a new project. But if you're gonna buy from here, you have to go through Ethereum, or you have to use Ethereum, it looks like. I didn't connect my wallet. Yeah, there's no price. I don't know how to buy it. There's no price. Let's just see. My wallet didn't connect, so let's try it again. No. MetaMask, no. Coinbase, maybe. Let's see. What do you got all about it? You're buying the whole supply? No, I have both a MetaMask. My MetaMask did not connect. I have a MetaMask. It's right here. Oh, hold on a second. There's a little message. Connect. Okay. Still not showing I'm connected though. Oh, there it goes. So I mean, how much can I get of this? I've got Ether in there. Can't trade my taco for it? I'll trade my taco. You can have all my taco. Hey, $1.58, sure. Let's see if it works. It's either going to work or I'm getting scammed on live stream. Rampage Jackson actually supports it. Oh, to have another. What is it saying? No, I don't have another one. What's going on here? Why is this taking so long? Change my taco into this thing. Shib Nobi. It was $1.25 for the gas fee. It's not. I got enough money. I got more than $1.25 in Ether in my wallet. I'm pretty sure. But see, it's saying approve the token. I already did. Let's try it again, I guess. Yeah, see, transaction fees $1.58. Confirm. Do I need to put this in my MetaMask, this address? Oh, it's $20 fee right now. It was lying to me. Okay. Um, that one's cute, so let me cancel that one. Oh, I can't. Okay, so I can put some Ether in there very quickly. I want you to sell me on Sheep Ninja, you little yachty. Sell me on it, because I'm not sold. Even though I'm trying to buy some, I only want to buy it because it doesn't cost anything. I don't even understand how many. Yeah, look at this incredible amount. What was few? Oh, that's the gas fees. Okay. Sell me on it. Why should I get this crypto that is worth $0 besides Rampage Jackson's backing it? Because do you know Rampage Jackson personally? Because I don't know him personally. And, he may be a hoodoo artist now. You don't know. Rashad Evans kicked his head a little hard a couple of times. He might have some brain damage. Hey, listen, I'll promote this project for you guys if this is a legitimate project. That's why I want you to sell me on it, though, because like this is a completely new project. So I'm a potential new investor and also possible promoter, because this is not the only channel I have. The Framework Fortune home channel has 7,000 subscribers. We have frameworkfortune.com, which is, I don't even know where it's at right now with members. And we have this channel. We have H&H Trader, or HH Trader, who's in the stream right now. You know, so if you can sell me on this, you may have a new investor and somebody who will back this project. Everyone in the Telegram is waiting for you. You're scaring me with the Telegram. Jason Queen, you know about Shinja? Let me move some Ethereum over here to my MetaMask wallet. I'm gonna pay gas. I'm gonna pay more money in gas fees than what I'm paying for what this is, for what this is worth. No, I don't want to ask the CEO directly. I want you guys, you know, if you want me to back this project, you know, you're coming to me with it. You know, I don't. He can ask me. Just because he's the CEO of a project doesn't mean he's anybody special. I'm a CEO, but that doesn't mean anything. I have a small company. CEO is just a title for people with pride who want to throw it around. I could care less about anybody being a CEO or what they are. I want to be sold on this. If I'm going to invest my hard-earned tacos, then I want to know why I'm trading my taco here for the Shinja. Well, let me ask you a question. If the project is going to go up in price from here, why would I care about the gas fees? Like, this thing is at zero at the moment. If it goes up any at all, then, I mean, I would make more than $25 in gas fees. So if you're that confident in this coin, you know, that's not, you're not selling me on it by telling me to wait and buy it. It's like, wait and buy it till we're off the live stream. Don't buy it on the live stream. And I'm not trying to be mean or anything. I'm just trying to, you know, be honest. You're just coming on my channel promoting this project without my permission. You could at least sell me on it. Like, come on, I'm giving you a chance here. Sell me on it. Okay. Security. That's a start. That's every single crypto that's out there. What else do we got? Well, I'm working on getting this ether over. I'm trying to figure out which way I want to do it. Oh, let me take this off. Two-factor. Okay. We got a lot of that going around. That's not... Here's what I want to know. What is the ultimate goal of this project? Because the ultimate goal is not security. That's just what they're wanting to use, you know, to make sure all the accounts are secure. But what is the ultimate goal here? So I looked at how it works, which, again, looking at all this, I really still don't know. I'd like to see these white papers, but I've not seen anything. That's that AMA. Let's see how many subscribers they got on their channel here. They got 20,000 subscribers. They've been catching views since the start of December, which looks like that's all they've been doing is streaming. $2,500 per day to 4 Shinja holders. All right, man. All right. I'll all right. The massive dip on what? On what do you mean? On Shibnobi. Shibnobi. Let me go back to where's that chart at of it? I mean, I'm not really sure what the price is of this. But I mean, this is like a dip from 0 to 0. So, I don't know. Whoa, what the hell kind of chart is it? Hold on a second. Let me look at this chart. Guys. I need to see this let me look at this on the bigger chart. I mean, you're right. It's definitely not going to get any cheaper. It literally can't. It can't get any cheaper. Y'all are going to have to really sell me now. Because this chart here, it screams... I don't even know. Because there's no look at this nonsense. Like, there's no what? Okay. All right. I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it because I'm crazy. Let's just do it. I was already going to move some ether over there anyway. Lord have mercy on my soul. It's 0. Team rug pull, yeah. Apparently. It looks like a rug pull, but you know, they're trying to sell me on this. They've got multiple people from their Telegram group trying to sell me on it. It happened to all the... I mean, I don't understand. I mean, maybe there's not enough zeros. Hal with the yelling of the rug pull. Oh my god! Let's see. I'm willing to trade my... I don't know. Nah, see, my risk is not zero. I gotta pay gas fees to get it. I gotta pay Ethereum gas fees. I was just gonna trade my taco for it. I've got some taco that I bought a while back that's been sitting in my Mike B, are you on board with the Shinobi project here? Now, if Mike B's on board, you know, Mike B, he's been around the chat for a while. I might be a bit more inclined to listen to what he's got to say on this. Because I'm having a hard time. But I'm going to do it anyway. I'll do it anyway. I'll trade my tacos for it. Alright, hold on a second. Let me get some ether in here. Give me a minute. Let's do this, and then I'm going to call it a day. We're going to come back tomorrow, and either I'm going to show you guys a lesson about meme coins or new projects, or, you know, just be honest with you, there ain't much in my MetaMask for you to hack and steal. If you want to try to get my Stormex, you're more than welcome to it, because I can't get it because of the gas fees. I don't want to pay to get it, so if this is a scam, you know, hey, it's all on live stream. We'll know what's up. HH will be visiting you with the kitten petters. You know what I mean? The kitten petters. That's how H&H Trader does it. Alright. Alright, let me get this. Y'all stop distracting me. Let me get this. I'm blaming it on y'all for my crazy talk. Oh my goodness. Why am I doing this? You know, sometimes you just gotta ask yourself that, you know. Why do you do the things you do? I don't know. But I do them. Y'all like, this dude's losing his mind. He's sitting there singing. This is what y'all got me into today. This is where the live stream took me, to this dark, dreary place that we're at now. Oh my goodness. Hack my MetaMask. Just so you know, on the other side of that MetaMask wall is HH Trader. He is a security expert. This ridiculous thing. I'm going to get my money stuck in this thing and never get it out. Well, I'm going to get my tacos stuck in this thing and never get it out. There's so many of this coin. There's so many of this coin now. I just keep thinking about how dumb this feels. I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel right, man. Nothing about this feels good. I'm not sold on this at all. But I can't see what you're saying, Mike B, so I'll look at what you're saying in a second. See if I'm sold then. It's Christmas and y'all in here trying to scam people, man. Shame on you, man. What the hell? Well, you know what they say. those elephants that stay caged. There ain't no rest for the wicked. Money doesn't grow on trees. When it gets towards Christmas time, gotta scam people's MetaMask to put presents under the tree. Alright, so I'm going to do this a different way because the MetaMask way is not working. Hey, Chase Trader, I just want their bag of jewels. $37 holders in the last 4 days. Let's see. Can we check that? Oh no, that's the wrong thing. It's like a bunch of holders got dumped on. Why does that say the total supply is 6? 6 what? Yep, 37,000 holders, 100,000 transfers. Hold on, it's on Uniswap. Let me check and see something real quick. May have some BNB. How much? Oh, I do have some BNB. Let me see if I can I swap Uniswap for BNB. Let me go back over here. Maybe instead of Ether. No, it's on Ether though. I swap on Flu's trade. Let me just go to Uniswap. I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't know. Can I trade BNB for it? No, Uniswap is only on the Ethereum chain. Okay. Let's try Pancake Swap. You're making this difficult. Trade. Oops. So the A. No. No. No way to get it on there either. So I have to buy it through Ethereum. What is this? Flus.trade. Shinja's not even on this thing that they're promoting themselves on. can't use MoonPay in America. Where's this Ethereum gonna go? $10 network fee. Oh, you're trying to get me here. You gotta pay to connect, to pay to swap, to pay to stake them. Yeah. No, I know it might be. I just don't want to do that with Ethereum. That's why I was trying to see if I could do it with BNB, because I really don't want to do it. Alright, I'm just going to do it the long way then. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Let's see. That's old news on there. Alright, well, I'm going to look into this some more. I'll probably pick some up. Like I said, I'll probably trade my tacos, because I don't think tacos ever did much. There's tacos wrapped ether. Yeah, see my tacos, man. Tacos not so good, so I'm just going to trade tacos out for it. I can get plenty for my tacos. Tacos was a new project that I was trying on, but didn't work out. But I believe I'm going to call it a day. I appreciate you guys bringing this coin to my attention. We'll see how this all works out. Oh, every transfer gonna cost too much? Yeah. Nah, that's illegal, weirdo shrine. I can't do that. Live AMA today at 10 p.m. Eastern. We'll see. We'll see what I can do. But appreciate everybody coming to the channel and joining me for this interesting live stream that we've had here. We'll be back tomorrow morning for more stock content, stock trading on the Framework Fortune home channel. And we'll be back here around 2 p.m. Central for more Gods Unchained gameplay as I continue to try to push into Mythic before Christmas. Appreciate everybody joining us as always. If you haven't yet, go check out frameworkfortune.com. It's free signups with email. There is no paywalls. Tons of content building out there as well. Stay safe out there. Until next time.